What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw the Hulk. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the center edge of the brow. So start over on the left side, we'll draw a curve that goes up and then down towards the right. Now let's curl up the brow. Back on the left, bend this in and then up, and then do the same thing on the right. Now let's curve the bottom edge of the brow. Starting back on the left, bend this up and then up towards the ends. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath that brow. From the left side, let's step in, we're going to draw a half circle. Come down towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull that up towards that bottom point. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height, and then tuck that up underneath. Now with the Hulk, we want to push the nose up higher in between the eyes. So let's start on the left, curve the nose, coming down, across, and then up. Now step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start with a curve, going across. Let's bend the mouth, coming out and then down towards the corners. Let's close off the bottom with another curve. We're going to go up and then down. In the center, step down, draw a straight line going across the lower lip. Now I want to separate the teeth. Halfway down the side, draw a straight line coming in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's cross this like a T. And then we'll fill the bottom corners of the mouth in black. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to curve this fold, going out around the mouth and then down. Now with the face complete, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step over. Let's curve the head, coming down, come in just underneath the mouth, go across and pull that up towards the right side. Let's continue up along the side of the head. On the left side, we're going to bend this out and back in. Now I want to brush the hair down on top of the forehead. So on the left side, start with a curve coming down and in towards the eye. Curve this back up. Let's add another one. We're going to come down a little bit lower towards the eye. Go up towards the top. Let's add a small one, coming down and then up in towards the middle. Now on the right side, I want to curve in the opposite direction. So come around and then in. Pull this up. Let's add another one, coming down towards the eye. Go up, and let's close off the end with one more smaller point. Let's go back to the side of the head. We're going to draw in the ears. Starting from this point, we're going to go up, round up the ear, and pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold along the top of the ears. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I want to continue the hair going up towards the top. Starting from this point, bend this out and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Taper this up and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add another point. Going out, pull this up, and then back in. Now I want to brush this back in towards the center point. So let's start back on the left. Going out, come all the way across, and then down in towards the middle. Let's add a couple small points. One on the left, going out, and then down. One pointing out towards the right. And then just like we did here, we're going to add one more curve. One larger one going down, and then close that off. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Let's line this up on the right, come down towards the same height. Let's close this off with a curve, going down and then up. Now in the center of the body, we're going to add a curve for the bottom edge of the chest. Just going across, and then from the chin, draw a short line coming down. Let's go back to the hips. We're going to tear the edge of the pant from the hip, and it's out and then down. Go back to the left side. We're going to draw a series of curves going up and then down. Add a smaller curve, and just vary the length going all the way across towards the right side. Let's go back to the center of the body, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center. We're going to go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to curve the heel, going down and then up towards the outside. Let's add another curve. We're going to go a little bit longer, coming down and then up towards the first toe. Let's add that first toe. On the left, we're going to draw a C shape, almost like a circle with an open end on the inside. Now we want to layer 2 more toes on either side. So let's start from the top left side of this toe. Draw another curve like a circle coming in. And we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to go in between those last 2 toes, curve the foot. We're going to go up and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Let's go back up to the hips, underneath, let's tear, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's tear the edge of the pants. Starting on the left side, we'll draw another series of curves, just like we did with the top here. And just go from the outside, working our way in, then continue on the right. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the arms out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. Let's curl the thumb, going up and bend that down. Round up the thumb and then bend that back up. And then here we're going to add the palm coming in. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Now step down, draw another one. We're going to go up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. So do the same thing on the right. Start with that half oval for the first finger. Step down, add the second underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's go to that bottom finger. We're going to curl the palm, coming in and then up across the wrist. Step down, curl the bottom of the arm coming in towards the body. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Hulk. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.